Hello everyone, this is me Shumon and welcome back to my channel Skepdob. Before I start with my video, I want to say sorry for not being active in this platform for a couple of weeks now. So my phone decided to take a dive with me in the swimming pool and the rest is history. My battery, my Wi-Fi, charging cable, nothing was working. By the time I'm uploading this video, I think my phone is fixed. So coming back to the trip, me and my friends were deciding for this trip for quite some time now, and finally we were happy to see that this trip is actually happening. We packed our bags and headed out on a Friday night. We had pre-booked our buses from Red Bus and it costed around 350 INR, which was pretty cheap as the trains are not operational at this time due to COVID. Started our journey from Esplanade. The bus departed from Esplanade at 7:30 PM IST. But one of the members in our group was missing. He was late, he was not able to catch the bus in Esplanade. However, he managed to catch the bus from Howrah station. And that's how our trip started to Digha. We reached our hotel at around 12:30 in the night. The hotel we stayed in was New Classic Inn. We had already pre-booked our hotel rooms. And
oh yeah! Wow, this is the real thing!
Oh Lord!
This is the real thing!
We are pretty hungry after this journey, so let's have our dinners quickly and then go through the night and then let's wake up tomorrow early.
तलाशने खुद को राहों में ये हवाएं बुलाती है मुकम्मल जहां बाकी ये राहें बुलाती हैं.
We were enjoying the waves peacefully and then this happened. After enjoying the muddy ocean waves, we straight away headed out to our hotels. But then this happened. Tathagoto threw his sandal beside this road for some reason and then Pritam had to get it out for it. And look at how he's feeling sorry for the trouble he has caused. Then we headed to our hotels. We had our lunch. The lunch was really delicious.
This is lunch time.
I'm the video watching. Coming back to the hotel we were staying in was New Classic Inn. The hotel is situated in New Digha. It's like few 20-30 steps away from the beach, so it's pretty near to the beach as well. It's a really decent hotel and the rooms are big. It was a pleasant stay. The food is awesome, and also if you do not like the beach, there's an option for the swimming pool. More on the pool coming back later in this video. Stay tuned. And I'll also put the link of the website for New Classic Inn in my video description. Do check it out. After we had our lunch, we straight away headed out to the beach. We are really enjoying this fantastic ocean winds, and this ice cream just added a cherry on the cake. So apparently the starfish was turned away by the beach. So I have seen a lot of videos where the turtles struggle to reach the beach. So I thought maybe the starfish is also facing the same thing. So I just took out my the sturdy card which I had, and I carried the starfish to the sea beach and then let it go.
Yeah, I got it.
And then we headed back to our hotels again.
I am now
So after having our dinner and some weird video calls, we went to sleep and then got prepared for the final day at Digha.
Sick of my breath and the heart, for I am a wanderer, a wanderer with all of my heart.
God damn it. Oh God. চলো ভালো ভালো Oh.
One eternity later.
রাখ না হ্যাঁ আয় আয় ছোট ছোট পাড়া ঠিক আছে চল
मुसाफिर हूँ मैं, काफिर नहीं, तलाश में मेरी राहें सभी, ढूंढने मुझको राहों में हवाएं बुलाए, the winds are calling and I must flow, leaving everything I own.
100 bro. Out of 10 100
How will you do?
This
Like 50?
Why are you changing the topic?
है मुकम्मल जहां बाकी ये राहें बुलाए, roads are calling and I must
So that is how our trip to Digha ended. If you like my video, do share it with your friends. Till next time, bye bye, take care and stay safe.